It's Jason Foreman, real estate agent in Los Angeles with Compass. So what does a real estate agent do on Sunday? The obvious answer is probably an open house. But as you can see, I'm not at an open house because everything is flying off the shelves. The market is so hot that once something goes up for sale, 12 or 15 days later, really strong market, the home is already sold. So I don't have an open house this Sunday. Obviously, I'm going to be visiting people, making a lot of calls, people who I've been speaking to who mentioned that they were interested in selling their home, but I earned a little bit of me time. So what a lot of people do in their free time if they like to exercise is usually go to the gym or run. I don't really do that. There's nothing wrong with that, but my thing is skateboarding. So I found this little oasis. It's a parking structure and it's locked off to cars, so it's like a closed course. A little safer for me, a little bit more safety. Got some safety gear. And super fun. I'm just gonna ride down this and I'm taking you guys for the ride, along for the ride. All right, thank you guys for watching. Also, I have a home for sale that I will be putting up next weekend. It's adjacent to Playa Vista. It's about $1.5 million for a 2-bedroom that's very well maintained, very close to the Playa Vista offices of Google, Yahoo, very close to Whole Foods. It's a great place, and it's also in great shape. If you guys have clients that are interested in this home and you were looking for a sneak peek, go ahead and DM me at JasonF_real estate agent, or you can text me at 310-256-3209. Enjoy the ride, you guys.